Okay, so this is just a mini haul of a lot of items I got from Jamaica, so you guys could see what I've been up to. And I got them on, let me see how many days ago. 3 days ago. So let's start over here. So there's some peppermint, so we can make my tea in the morning. And what else? Black mint. I used this one already, the peppermint, but I haven't used this yet. So I know a lot of people are used to the regular tea bag, but with this, the dried leaves, pretty much what I do is just boil the water, and then when the water is boiled, I put some of these in the water, cover it, let it steep, and then strain it off and sweeten it. And that's the same thing for the black mint. Also, fever grass can be used to make tea as well, so it'll be the same process. And you know, everybody have different ways of using some of these herbs. List down below in the comment section what do you use these herbs for, because some of them have multiple uses. So here is my guinea hen leaves. So the real Jamaican guinea hen leaves. See? And it smells so good. And guinea hen can be used for a variety of ailments. I'm not a doctor, so please look it up yourself. Alright. This is pimento leaves. There we go. All of the good things then. Moringa. If you know about Dr. Sebi, who passed away, may he rest in peace. He talks about moringa as one of the herbs used for being healthy, and also for having a, oh my goodness, I'm forgetting the word. For having an alkaline diet. Okay, so this is moringa. Then we're moving on to turmeric. So I have some dried turmeric here, straight from Jamaica. And I use turmeric. You can use it in a lot of different ways. I use it to cook, like if I'm making curry, stew chicken, sprinkle some when it's almost ready. I don't put it at the beginning because I don't want the healthy properties to be cooked out. Also, you can use it in tea, and I also use it to help to build up my immune system by mixing it with garlic, ginger, honey, and lime. That can help with congestion and to help get rid of a sore throat. Alright. Oh yeah, when using turmeric, I've learned to put a bit of black pepper as well, because the black pepper helps your body to absorb the turmeric. Alright, this is pimento. And cinnamon leaves. There's some cornmeal porridge, the oatmeal porridge, the banana porridge, all of that nutmeg porridge stuff. There is dried gungo peas. And then, alright, so now down to the seasoning. See, I have my easy spice, meat, chicken. I think this is all purpose, yeah. I already used some, and I only got it 3 days ago. And I gave away some as well. And better pot curry. If you didn't know, now you know. Better pot curry. are the best curry. It's the Beta curry, Beta pack. They have the big packs as well, but these little ones, you can use it probably for one serving depending how much you're cooking. And this is my vegetable seasoning. And then this here, I can get some of these up here, but hey, I was blessed with them and I'm grateful. Maggi, pumpkin mix. Yes, I have a bunch of those. And then in this I have Lasco, different flavor Lascos and Mountain Peak coffee. I'm not a big coffee drinker. Oh yeah, now look up here. The good things there. Aki. Yeah. That's Aki. It's frozen, it's already cooked. You see the seal on it? Professionally done. Look at that seal. Fresh. And all of the people that may watch this, please don't come beg out me things. If you don't get none already, likely you're not get none. Alright, this is the gunga peas. This is the one that's not dried. I showed you the dry one already. See, this is the dry one. And that's the one that's not dry. Again, sealed to perfection. Look. And then we have the tasty patty. Some people like juicy beef and other ones, but I prefer juicy beef, but I got tasty, I don't mind. And this is cheese, so it has beef and cheese together. It has 12 in the box, but they're already being eaten, so let's see how much is left. I think there's about 5 in here. Okay, so there you go. Yep. So with these, when I'm heating it up, I put it in the oven, not in the microwave, because it tastes fresh, as if you just got it from the restaurant when you put it in the oven. And then here I have my egg Grace jumbo frankfurters, and this I usually cook it up like with breakfast. So if I'm making eggs, defrost it first and then cut it and fry it, or you can eat it as a regular hot dog, but I like to fry it. And then let's see what else I have. I have potato pudding, but most of it is eaten already, half of it. I'll insert a picture. I think I took a picture already of how it looked when it just came. And in this I have fish in here, some escovitch fish, and this is vani. All right. What else? Oh yeah, no, Jamaica KFC are the best, so I had to get some, and of course some eat already, but I put it in the oven to heat it up and it still tastes good. And yes, I have the Jamaica ketchup in there.